So you're a diabetic, you don't feel like eating anything. Well, of course not. You're taking a ton of medicine that doesn't make you feel good. But if you don't eat, you're going to feel worse. So what do? You go for a bag of cookies or something and eat some junk food and you feel even worse yet. I propose that I have some emergency gap food that you can eat, whether it's breakfast or middle of the day or at night, and you're just hungry and you want something simple, quick, and easy. Here it is. The ingredients are 3 eggs, some brown and serve pre-cooked sausage, cheese, whether it's American or Swiss, some little cherry tomatoes, and you know, all of this, if you're in a major city, you can order right on your cell phone. As long as you make about $33 minimum delivery, they'll deliver for free. Check that out. Now, other things we'll need is a plate with fork. We're going to need to microwave the brown and serve sausage. Once you microwave it, you'll need to either brown it up in a pan, or I like to use aluminum foil and put it in a tin pan, and I throw it into a toaster oven. Now, the eggs, very simple. All I'm going to do is crack up 3 eggs, put some ingredients in. I'm going to throw it in the microwave for about 129 seconds. I have a 750 watt microwave. If your microwave is bigger, go ahead and modify that time slot. Now, if you want to see all the measurements and the ingredients list, click on the subscribe button right now. If you're on a computer, it's in the lower right-hand corner. If you're on a cell phone, turn your cell phone up vertically. You'll see the subscribe button, you'll see the more button, and the list of ingredients will be there. Now, if you want, you can go to my website, which is jamestdds.blogspot.com. Now, for the ingredients, let's get started with the most important thing. That is our sausage, because it takes the longest. So, I get 8 sausage patties in a box. So I use 4 per day, so I get 2 meals out of the box. Throw them in the microwave. Now, there's nothing that says you can't eat the sausage right out of the microwave. You don't have to brown them. They're already pre-cooked. You just may want to brown them. Those will be ready in a little bit. So, let's do our eggs. Eggs are pretty simple. You want to crack your eggs into the bowl. Now, one thing with eggs is do not crack them on a side or on the side of your counter, because you could force bacteria from the shell into the egg. So you want to crack your egg, whether you hit it on the sink, in the center divider, or you use a spoon like I just did there. And I like the center divider of my sink, because then I just spin the faucet around and, rinse. I keep my bottle of bleach dish soap and water handy. There we go. Eggs in the bowl. That's the most complicated part of this. Let me wash my hands. My microwave just beeped. Let me grab my dish. Breakfast sausage. Throw it in the pizza oven, toaster oven, whatever you want to call it. Now, tomatoes. I don't buy big tomatoes because they don't last worth a darn. I like to buy the little cherry tomatoes, and anybody that's tried to cut these up, I know the trick where you use the lid and you cut across the lid. You can cut them once, and that's okay for making meals. And I know you can take a knife and you can cut these like they're little sardine fish or something. Here's the quick, easy way. Take your scissors. If you need to, wash them with some dish soap and bleach to get them clean. But just take your tomatoes, cut them with a scissor. 1, 2, 3 times. Cut a little cherry tomato. Probably could cut 4. Here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, I know you're not going to cut 5 times with a knife, because that's pretty tough. Okay, I just threw in some like that. Now, salt and pepper. Have to have salt and pepper in your eggs. It's written in a book somewhere. Then I just take a fork, whip this up a little bit. Now, if you want, as an option, onion powder. Garlic powder. If you like it hot, this would be a good place to put in some red pepper flakes. They're like this. My son and a lot of other people put some red pepper flakes in. Not me. My stomach isn't happy as it is with all the medicine my doctors have me taking. Whip this up like this. Aerate it. You want to get some air in it. There we go. Now, piece of cheese. Throw the cheese on top. Throw this in the microwave. Here we go. Everything is all cooked and done. Have you ever seen these large coffee cups? They're larger than a regular coffee cup. I got them at the dollar store. When I make this for myself, I just put butter in here and then I make it all in this. It makes it a lot easier. But to show on camera, I went with a big glass bowl dish. So here we are. Here's our eggs. Here's our sausage. Pretty easy. It's browned. It's served. Hence the name. It's hot. Grab a spatula to serve this out with. If you want, you can put some butter in the bowl. You can spray it with some cooking spray if you think you need it. Almost looks like it's an omelet. All done. All you need now is some coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to see the details, and I'll see you next time.